You are gonna regret the day you were born.
Nice hat, Abby. Yep, Eggy. Come on, Livy. Livy. Come on, Olivia. Again, you found the Squishimals.
I found Paris. Oh,
Yeah.
I want to do this. Mom, I could be back in the 80s.
Did see what you got. Livy, come here.
No, you don't need that. Oh my god.
What do you have, Livy? Show me.
Abby, almost.
Abby, where'd you go? Livy, look at where's your sister? Go down that aisle right there. Look, no, look this way. Well, folks, that's it for now. There were lots of awesome deals. We scored some great things. Didn't spend a lot of money. Lots of 75% off. Go see for yourself.